It is with deep pride and gratitude that I welcome all of you to the 4th Basilan Women Executives and Legislators Convention, a gathering that has, through the years, become a living testimony to women's leadership, solidarity, and resolve. This convention gathers us once more to learn from one another, to be reminded that integrity is not only a standard but a calling, and that each of us in our own spaces of influence can make governance work for the people it was meant to serve.
Sa mga participants mula sa iba't ibang lugar, asahan nyo ho yung provincial government nyo ay maging gender sensitive.
At the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, we believe that inclusion is not only about access to financial services, it is also about empowerment. Every initiative we pursue, from Islamic finance to digital transformation, is anchored on a single goal: to ensure that no Filipino, regardless of faith, gender, or geography, is left behind.
Women leaders, let us always lead with grit and grace. And most importantly, let us lift each other as we lead. Because true power is not measured by titles or positions, but by how many other women we empower in our journey as public servants.
Maraming salamat sa inyong tugon sa paanyaya ng Be-Well. Mabuhay ang kababaihan ng Basilan, mabuhay ang kababaihan ng Pilipinas, mabuhay po tayong lahat.